Hongce Equipment Singapore Branch Co. Limited, founded in 2013 year, located in the Sanlong Bay Industrial Base at the Hongce Equipment Singapore Branch Co. Limited, insist on being a professional testing equipment supplier, integrity, innovation, efficiency, cooperation. This is the philosophy of our company. The company has more than 3,000 square meters, independent factory with more than 50 employees. Each employee in the office has his or her own office area. All are equipped with modern office equipment, improve employee productivity and satisfaction. Electronic laboratory testing instruments, and the field of vacuum helium testing equipment for production lines. Hongce has more than 10 years of manufacturing experience with developing test equipment, and professional technical team can provide comprehensive and high-quality products and services. This test bench is for verification, made for the tripping characteristics of circuit breakers. Trip characteristics of circuit breaker. Adequate protection of the circuit should be ensured without acting prematurely. The test bench has a total of 5 channels, 3 channels of which can handle current up to 300 A. 2 channels can handle current up to 1000 A. The test bench is equipped with a constant temperature heating zone. The maximum temperature can reach 60 degrees Celsius. The test also displays recorded data on the screen. The current transformer test bench will accurately measure the ratio, difference and phase difference of the current transformer, ensuring precise results for evaluation. The test bench has a maximum current capacity of 8000 A and can handle large currents in a variety of applications, and can test and analyze different types of current transformers. The test bench has 12 channels and can test multiple current transformers simultaneously, saving time during the test process and increasing productivity. This is a car spark plug air tightness testing platform. It is equipped with flow meters and 3 test chambers, each containing 4 spark plug mounting clamps. Ensure results are accurate. Designed to analyze and evaluate various parameters of water pumps, this innovative test bench is able to automatically generate charts of the relationship between pump flow, head and current, providing you with an accurate electric water performance curve for your pump. This machine is specially designed for welding air conditioning ducts. You only need to place the product manually, and it will be welded automatically. The product is of good quality and high precision. This equipment is specially designed for helium recovery from electric vehicle batteries. It has the advantages of high recovery rate, fast recovery speed, reusability, simple operation, and helium saving. This machine is a helium leak detection device, mainly used for air tightness testing, high detection accuracy, and fast speed. This equipment is used to test the sealing performance of the water valve core. It has 6 operating stations. It fills the valve core with compressed air and then uses the pressure sensor to determine whether the workpiece is leaking. It is a good detection quality and high efficiency. The certificates the company has obtained over the years and the corresponding patented technology. These include Through our professional team and advanced equipment, we constantly pursue excellence, provide innovative solutions to customers. If you are interested in our company's products or services, please contact us.